Welcome to Mantra Software Services. We are a TMMI Level 5 certified company that delivers top-quality testing solutions. In this video, we understand the UFT SAP automation testing. Agenda. First, test scenario, SAP FICO post-journal entries for credit and debit account. Second, UFT project workflow. Third, demo of automation execution. Fourth, demo of the auto-generated MSS UFT automation test reports. Start with test scenario, SAP FICO post-journal entries for credit and debit accounts. The test scenario is about performing a financial transaction between two general ledger accounts. In order to perform that, we create a company and general ledger accounts. Later, we perform the transaction and verify the account balances. Log into the SAP application and create a company code. Add the general ledger accounts and tolerance groups for the company code. Post the journal entries and verify the account balances after the transaction. Log out from the SAP application. The setup and configuration of the MSS UFT Framework. Prepare test cases using the MSS framework and maintain test data in Excel files. Execute test cases and view the auto-generated MSS test reports. No coding is required as the MSS framework contains built-in functional libraries required for testing. UFT can be set up and can start testing within a day. MSS Automation Testing Folder. The test cases are developed and executed in Excel files stored in a folder structure. Control file. An Excel control file is used where all the test scenarios developed are listed for execution. Planned test cases are selected for execution from the control file. Keyword file. For developing the test case, we use a separate Excel sheet called as a keyword file, where we input technical details for steering the application in test. Each automation test steps are defined in the keyword file along with the technical properties. Test data file. For test data, we use a separate Excel sheet where all the test data is included and maintained for the application testing. For our test scenarios, two sets of test data are prepared for testing. Each test data is stored in each column. Automation test execution in the UFT tool. Once the control file is configured and ready for execution, the test cases are run from the UFT application. Now, let me run the test scenarios from the UFT. After execution. Execution is completed. We have executed one test scenario with two sets of test data, where one set of data passed the test and another dataset failed. Test reports. Let me show you the test results folder with test reports for the execution. The MSS configured test reports are auto-generated and will be saved in the HTML format after each execution. The summary report shows the execution date and time, scenarios executed, overall test scenario pass or fail status, and duration of the execution. The detailed report displays the test steps, time taken for each step, and pass or fail status. The snapshots are taken during the runtime for each test step and can be viewed from the detail summary report. The failed test step displays the cause of the failure, error description, and failed result in the detailed summary report, and snapshots can be viewed for each test step. Thank you for watching the demo. You can put your comments below. For more details, contact us at services@mantharsoft.com. Or you get your free trial at mantharasoft.com/free-trial.